Que pasa, my pod vloggers? It's Christopher Gardner, your host of Pod Vlog. Today it is the 11th of July, 2016. It's kind of funny how this thing works out. I guess everybody gets on the roll call whenever they're trying to promote a book, but I listened to the Aubrey Marcus podcast and the School of Greatness with Lewis Howes. Both of their podcasts were featuring Ryan Holiday, author Ryan Holiday. His newest book, Ego is the Enemy, is a pretty interesting book. I haven't read it yet, but I read his last book, which the name of it, I'm forgetting right now. But his books are pretty awesome because they really show you how your ego trip you up. What does ego mean? Ego is your inbuilt false sense of identity. So we all do have an identity, but then we have a false identity that trips us up a bunch, and he is a master of actually showing you the strategies by which your ego will get in the way. And if I was to summarize what he's talked about in these two interviews is, if you're having trouble in your life, clear the path for someone else. Just do it. Just clear the path. Don't take any credit. Just add benefit to someone else without the need to actually get something out of the equation. And if you do this enough, you will hone your craft in a way where you will become successful. So Ryan Holiday is an extremely eloquent person. I really enjoyed listening to these two interviews, as is Aubrey Marcus. Aubrey Marcus's podcast, I don't think I've spoken about yet, but he's a man after my own heart, has done a bunch of medicine work, rigorously trains out, has the Onnit Academy in Austin, Texas. Just really good stuff. He and Joe Rogan have created Onnit, and my friends that take their supplements say that they're extremely high supplements, so check that out. So when you get a chance, really get into some of Ryan's books, because from what I've read of his, he's awesome. He really kicks ass, and I know in the certain situations where I've been conscious of my ego and have, consciously said, no, I am not going to act from that space of fear or that space of individualistic need. I've been all the better for it. So check out Ryan Holiday. Thank you guys for checking out Podvlog. We'll be back tomorrow on Tuesday on the 12th, and I'm going to be looking at a few different podcasts that are a little bit heavier. I just listened to them this morning, and I haven't formulated exactly how I will present their information, but they're good nonetheless. So have a great day, and see you tomorrow.